Vybz Kartel, the world boss who transformed dancehall forever. Gaza. Love or hate him, Vybz Kartel is a name that resonates far beyond the sun-soaked shores of Jamaica. Known affectionately as the world boss, Kartel transcends the label of a mere artist. He embodies a cultural movement, a lyrical visionary, and an influential icon who has fundamentally reshaped the landscape of dancehall music. Born in Portmore, this enigmatic figure has crafted an extraordinary career that spans over 2 decades, his influence palpable in every corner of the globe. From infectious hits like Fever, Clark's Romping Shop and the summer anthems Summertime to gritty street anthems that pulse with raw authenticity, Kartel persistently pushes the boundaries of the dancehall genre. His lyrics, often filled with controversy, explore the harsh realities of life in Jamaica while energizing dance floors from Kingston to London and Sydney to New York. It's nearly impossible to attend a party or celebration without hearing a Vybz Kartel track, electrify the atmosphere and get people moving. Yet, Vybz Kartel's impact stretches far beyond the realm of dancehall music. He has redefined the way artists approach personal branding, launching his own line of products and even writing a book during his time behind bars. His incarceration has not diminished his influence. Instead, he has become an even more prolific force, releasing countless songs from prison that continue to amass streams and accolades. Kartel's legacy is intricate and multifaceted, both critiqued and revered in equal measure. But one irrefutable truth remains: he has given a voice to the voiceless. By exposing the world to the vibrancy and struggles of Jamaican life, he has brought unprecedented global attention to dancehall music. Vybz Kartel isn't merely an artist, he is a legendary force who has redefined a genre and inspired an entire generation. So, like this video, hit the subscribe button. He's the king of dancehall, the lyrical genius behind countless hits. Today we're diving into the top 10 most streamed songs by none other than Vybz Kartel. Let's see which tracks fans can't get enough of. Steamy, addictive, and unforgettable, Fever tops the list as Vybz Kartel's most streamed masterpiece. A sunshine-infused vibe that defines Caribbean summers. When dancehall meets style, you get Clark's. Iconic. Check 1, check 2, check. This one proves Kartel isn't just about fire, he's got heart too. A legendary duo, the chemistry, the controversy, the chart success. This one gets every party started, a certified dancehall classic. Raw, real, and unforgettable. Conjugal Visit shows Kartel's lyrical range. Deep, poetic, and introspective, Kartel paints emotions with words. A plea wrapped in melody, one of his most touching tracks. Playful and infectious, Bicycle proves Kartel can keep it light and catchy. From hard-hitting tracks to romantic ballads, Vybz Kartel's catalog is pure gold. Which of these tracks is your favorite? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more dancehall deep dives. What's your ultimate Vybz Kartel track? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest in entertainment news. You won't want to miss any of the excitement.